Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And as promised, this is the 8-track that goes along with the radio that was sent in by Steve. The company is a Fairlane Automotive. They're located in Niles, Illinois. So if you need work done on your car, I'm sure they'll do a great job. I've talked to Steve quite a bit about different things. He's even given me some advice on replacing my timing belt and which new car to, or not which new car, but which used car to buy. I'll never buy a new car. So anyway, this is the 8-track portion that goes with the radio. The next video will have both the 8-track and radio working together. So let's go ahead and pop in a tape, make sure the 8-track is fully functional. Here we go. Oh no, it's not fully functional because after conversion, this is the 8-track section of the full Delco system conversion. When I do a full Delco system conversion, I also tear apart all the electronics in the 8-track and replace it with new stuff so that it works optimally with the radio. And since it now uses the radio's amplifiers, the radio's brand new high quality amplifiers, these controls will no longer have any effect because all that will be done at the radio. All your volume, balance, and tone will be done at the radio. Only thing that still works on the 8-track is the track change button. So now, let's go ahead and pop a tape in.
Go on out and have fun. Put the blues on the run.
Okay, make sure we got both speakers.
Living's great. Just pretend you're a king. Bounce the world on its shopping around. I'm not gonna listen to bring out the monkey business in the island. Come on in.
Okay, between songs, good time to check for crosstalk. None at all. Look at that, boy. Does this kid know how to adjust a hit or what?
Sleep at night.
Okay, so that concludes the test of the 8-track section. I need to do a little playing around with the 8-track to get it to play nice with the radio. That's why we're doing separate videos on the radio 8-track and then all of them together as a full integrated system. So you can reach me for service by visiting my website, which is in the description below. Please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. You have to fill out a work order to include with the unit anyway when you send a job in for service. So go ahead and make that the first step before calling me with a bunch of questions, because after you read the work order, you probably won't need to call me unless you just want a quick chat to get to trust me and stuff like that. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Steve, from Fairlane Automotive in Niles, Illinois. And the third video for Steve will be forthcoming. Thanks again, guys.